Guys, today I will be showing you how to add gacha stuff because I'm doing this for a friend of mine and she's doing it for me. So I already took the screenshot of the picture that I'm doing for her. So let's get to it now. But see this? Okay, ignore all this stuff. It's my cat. Okay. Pick the picture that you want, or I would do recommended. Okay. Right. So I'm gonna show you how I edit. I'll post this too. So for her hair color, I would get the white for this one. It shows up better. Go to your paintbrush. You'll see what I'm doing. I tried this once. I don't know if it's gonna work. See? Okay. I'm gonna get a new canvas page. Go. Duplicate. Actually, don't duplicate it. Add one. Okay, there we go. Now, just small background. See, like this. Okay. I learned this. I don't know if this is actually gonna work out, so I'm gonna test and I'll be right back. Okay, I tried this, but no, this is not gonna work, so I'm gonna just delete this because that's what I normally do. Alright, we're not gonna do that. So the brush that I'm going to use is 13 triangle. It's an airbrush. I use an airbrush triangle. Then I get to the white. I'll see what I do. I do this this is what I use the airbrush. I use mostly the airbrushes for edit because it gives it that look of satisfaction, like the shadow of it. You'll see what I mean. I'm trying something new. So I just go over like that. I'll be back when I have done the whole head. So, okay, I am back with doing the hair. As you see with the hair, now I'm gonna go in black. It's not gonna be black. See, that doesn't look black. This with the white fur. White doesn't show. See, I'll just make it look. This will just be shadowed. So I'm gonna make that smaller. There you go. Alright, this is going to be small because it's small over here. It just doesn't show up as well as small. Okay, there we go. For the hair, like what I mean by like this, it gives it the shadow on its face. So I'll show you what I mean. So here, I'll show you how to do it. Actually, no. There we go. See, that's what I mean. It gives it the shadow effect of it. So, now for the shadow effect of this, I would go over, like, around the hand for the shadow effect of that. See? It's too big, so that's all we're done. Go like this. There you go. I also would do the shadow effect for the arm, like for the thing, like that. But like, I don't really have much arm space for that, so I don't do that for those ones. So I do the clothes a little bit later. So I'll take the white, darken that to light gray, because she actually doesn't have skin color. Alright, there we go. See, I won't do it on the face because of the hair, but I'll do it on the neck. See? Oh, I'm watching something. King of Fidolia. Oh, the Prince of Fidolia, okay. Alright, now with the legs, also the shadow effect that I like to do. Get black. Oh, I hate this. Okay. I'm gonna get the black. There we go. Okay. There we go. Now we'll go take the black. The white will go with this. So let's go over that. I'll show you also what I like to do with the eyes. Alright, there we go. Okay, there we go. We also will do it for this one. We'll do black for these ones since the light's topper. Okay, there you go. Now we will take the what is it called? We will go back to the normal brush. I would do dip and soft, but I like to do mine very nice. So I'm gonna do dip and hard. Take the white for her eyes. Make it small. Just do a little highlights. Okay, actually go to the airbrush, the 9. It's normal. Okay, now you're looking at this. We're going to take this. See that right there? We're going to take that color actually. It's different from this color. It's darker. So we're going to take the airbrush and actually darken this color. Actually getting more darker, like this darker. And it's a very dark color. Take the airbrush and go like this with the eyes. Now I'll take a white, make it bigger, and go like this. Hold on, I like to do this. And there you go. There is an edit that I made for my friend that I hope this video. I only did it on one. Actually, do that too. But you know, you can always do two for other things. But this one was very simple, so I didn't really need to do that. But for more advanced ones, you would need two. So I hope you enjoyed this edit and tutorial, kind of. I'll give you another tutorial. This was just for a friend. I do sign off my signature stuff. I'll take the black. No one can do this. But, excuse this. Okay. This. Oh, damn it. Okay, I'm gonna do this. That's very full. It's stupid. Okay. Okay. You can find me on my official Lumi, Coco. My avatar will be this. Let me show you. You can also find me on Mythical Underworld. So you need to. Here. This is me, Lizzie. Find me, official Lumi. I am Coco. I am doing the 40-day challenge, day 2. Hope you enjoyed this video. And have a good day. Goodbye.